So for our IoT project, we did a smart parking system. So this is a smart parking system that detects vacant and occupied parking spaces. So it's like a booking system, reservation-only booking system that you can book a spot on your mobile device with a companion app that we have. And we decided to pursue this project because there's a lot of issues with parking fee evasion, people not paying for parking, and a lot of companies and parking facilities lose money because of this. And also, it's an easier way for people to rest assured knowing that they're guaranteed a parking space when they're on the way to work. So the way it works is we have some ultrasonic sensors on the breadboard right here, which is hooked up to the Raspberry Pi. And these ultrasonic sensors detect distance. So they send out pulses, and if there's an object there within a certain distance, then we say, okay, a car is parked here after 5 rounds. So we measure distance and send it to the database after every 5 rounds. And then after a while, you will see the LED will light up if it detects a car is occupying that space. So in the mobile application, you can see here we have the mobile app, and the user can reserve a space, and the info is sent to Python, which is the controller. And from there, Python sends, we send the data to a Postgres SQL database, and that updates the database and tells if a person reserved that parking spot. So I'm going to pass it on to Ibrahim, and he's going to explain how the mobile application works.
Okay, so basically what happens is, as you can see right now, there's one parking spot that's empty. So you would be able to see it on the mobile app right now, that one parking spot, which we call A1, is available. And so a user could click on this parking spot and choose the start and end times of when they want to reserve it. So for instance, right now it's 1:20, so let's do 1:20, let's do 1:15 onwards to 1:45. So I'm just gonna press OK. And then me doing this, the light should turn on after a bit. So basically this is how you would reserve a parking spot. And that's pretty much what we have. And as you can see right now, since we reserved it, there's no more available parking spots on the app. So a user would not be able to select another parking spot, which would not be available. All right, that's all we have. Thank you guys.
Thank you.